let's look and see how we can compare two PDFs within Review. The two PDFs that I have are going to both be floor plans. However, one has a layout that looks similar to this, while the next one has a different layout. And I want to be able to quickly overlay these and see what's different about each one. And there's two ways of going about doing that. So the first way is I'm going to come up to my document tool up here, and I'm going to come down to compare documents. Document A has already been pre-selected, so it's the document I have open, and same thing for document B. I could click here and navigate to wherever the new file is that I want to use for comparison's sake. I could select a different window, so I could actually choose a region on one of my documents to compare. And if these were different size sheets and they didn't align correctly, I can actually pick different points and be able to position one on top of the other. Since these are the same, I'm just going to click OK. And now it's going to create a third PDF. It labels it difference. And it highlights with sort of an orange cloud any area that is different between the two. So I can quickly identify what's changed. So I can see that my timestamp has changed, but more importantly, my layout itself. And these are markups that I can actually select. Okay. Now, the next thing I want to do is I want to look and see how we can do it a different way. So I'm going to come back into my main level or my main option here. I'm going to go up to document. And I'm going to go over to overlay pages. I can specify a color for each page. And similar to with compare documents, I can actually align the points. So if these were different sizes, I could use different points. So I could say that this area is the same on this sheet as it is on this sheet. But since these are the same, I'm just going to hit OK. Now we'll quickly be able to see in this new sheet the difference between the two. I have red and green. I can look at my layers by coming over here and selecting layers, and I can actually turn these on so I can see the different versions. And then when I'm looking at my composite, I can see what's changed between the original and the new option.